Welcome to this demonstration of SmartStream Director. The solution brings with it a host of new features and functions that will be exciting for you to hear and see live in the demonstration. SmartStream Director is more than just a storefront. It has storefront capabilities by offering a web portal where customers can order jobs, but also it allows you, the print service provider, to best facilitate your back-end production management. It is an end-to-end, customer-driven workflow and management solution. There are two faces to the system. You have the print service provider view and the print buyer view. You are now looking at the print buyer view. This is the branded website of Virtuous Motors, a car manufacturer with distributors located worldwide. The company values and requires strict use of brand identity and brand compliance. They offer a catalog of print and non-print items to their customers. I'm going to demonstrate to you how they can simply and easily order point-of-purchase, static and variable documents through the system. The print service provider can create as many branded websites as he likes for the different customers. Dean is a car salesman at the London dealership. He would like to order some brochures of the latest car model. We are going to log into the system with his username and password. Dean drops within the Superstore catalog, which is essentially a catalog that gives you flexibility on presenting the products. The screen is fully customizable for the print buyer. We have 4 different categories. To the left, we've got a navigation panel, which contains quick links to products. This can also be a narrow by list. To the right of the screen, we've got a shopping cart that contains all the items within the cart, and a hold queue that allows you to order multiple products simultaneously. Let me share that these layouts are created using simple templates and do not require HTML programming. Another feature showcased in this catalog is the marketing message. Here, the print service provider has the ability to communicate specific promotions, new services and offerings, or simply information about location, background, or ordering. Dean would like to order brochures, so we're going to select the showroom materials. Notice in the subcategory that the products are displayed in a different format. So as I mentioned earlier, the layout is fully customizable. The user can order from an existing template, in this case a brochure, or he can choose to upload his own design. At the bottom of the page, we have the cross-sale functionality. This is the ability for the print provider to increase his revenues, provide more purchase options for the customers, and create a one-stop shopping experience. The print provider can now simply and easily create these cross-sale opportunities without having in-depth HTML knowledge. This is all done through templates and adding messages and images. To return to the previous page, you can use the breadcrumbs at the top. So let's select the brochure and add it to the cart. As you can see, the dealership information is automatically populated into the template according to the user profile. This is due to the logic with which the template was built. The ordering sequence, which is this part, can be divided into various tabs if needed to make the buyer experience as simple and efficient as possible. Under the car model, Dean can select the model that he'd like. As you can see, the image is dynamically updated according to the selection. The images change, the title, as well as the text. Finally, the agent details is automatically populated. As we go into the Job Details tab, we can see the job number, the job name, as well as the job summary. Within the shopping cart, Dean selects the quantity from a drop-down list and clicks on Get Quote. As you can see, Dean's shipping address is automatically populated. However, he can change the address by selecting an address from the address book. He can also select a specific shipping method. We are now within the Billing tab. As you can see, the billing information, the shipping details, as well as the job information is displayed on the screen. Down here we've got a pricing breakdown that includes the price, the tax, the shipping costs, and all this display is optional. Dean inserts a purchase order number, accepts the terms and conditions, and places the order. Once the order has been placed, Dean receives an email confirmation. Another email confirmation is sent to the operator at the print house. We are now looking at the print service provider view. Let's log into the default system so that we can see the print service provider functionality. The print provider tasks and setup are delivered in tabs and ribbons. This is industry standard for GUI design and layout. As we look at the tasks production queue, here the print provider manages the day-to-day operations for getting all jobs on press, whether digital or offset. If we scroll down, we can locate the brochure that Dean just ordered. The jobs are placed last in, last out. But the system allows you to sort any job according to different parameters. So you can search for jobs according to specific parameters and move those jobs up in the queue. The right panel shows all information you need to know about the job, including the job details, the stock, the run size, the actually planned press sheets, inventory, the output device that's going to be printed on, and the order information. The system automatically imposes the job. You can set up the flow to allow automatic approval and sending the jobs to print. Otherwise, the print provider can click on the Approve button. All jobs that have been approved will move to the printing queue from production, allowing the print provider much more control over managing those jobs in production. We also have a status queue.
With the JDF-JMF integration to HP Indigo DFE and presses, job details flow automatically via JDF to the DFE, so there's no need to manually enter job ticket parameters. JMF status messages are then returned to Director, providing real-time status of the job. Currently, the job status is printing in progress. This is also seen in the event log. Once complete, the status turns into a green light. This is also seen in the JMF notification messages. This automated status allows the operator to get real-time information on the status of the job, saving time and effort in tracking down the print status.
Once the jobs have been printed, they move to the delivery queue. Jobs that are ready for delivery allow the print provider to insert a carrier and a tracking number that can then be tracked online. Jobs that are ready are then approved for selected delivery. The print bar can then track the job online or within the system and receives notification by email that the job has been shipped out.